to license it.
Meep, meep. Hi, I'm Andrew, and you're visiting my YouTube channel, Maple Leaf Matchbox Makeovers. Maple Leaf is in the name because I come from Canada, but these days I live and work in Basel, Switzerland. Everything happens right here on the hobby bench. I sure have fun doing the makeovers and editing the videos, and I hope you enjoy watching them with a little bit of jazz music in the background. Give my videos a like and subscribe, and be sure to press that notification bell for regularly updated content. Make yourself a coffee and come on back anytime.